I was a shepherd, I would know every single one of the names of these sheep. Joseph. Yes. How would you know all their names? They all look the same. They do, don't they? You see, the shepherd studies the sheep. He looks at every single characteristic. Yeah? You see, they're moving away from me here. Do you know why? I'm a stranger to them. I'm not their shepherd. So you can see this invisible frequency of mine is pushing them away up there. Can you see? You see that? That's how powerful a frequency is. Do you get how frequency works now? Did you see what my frequency did there? I pass by here quite often. But I'm not the shepherd of these sheep. It's fascinating to watch them. Just before I put the camera on, there was about 5 or 6 of them just over here, and there was a ram. There was 2 rams, and they were tussling with each other over a female. I haven't been here long enough to understand what actually went on, why it happened, and so forth. But it's fascinating to watch. It's like watching people. Whatever these do, it's a big family there. Is, let's say, something that we can observe. You see, they've got computers now that have taken all the information to observe how a human reacts under certain circumstances. We have the best teacher in our Father in this. Observe what happens here. You've given the answer by our Father. Yeah. Would you like to go for a walk? You fancy? Come on. How does it feel today? Well, as you can see, it's quite misty. It's clear over there. It's clear over there. That there is facing, well, there's a motorway going down that way that goes to Newcastle Gateshead. So that's where I am. In the countryside. County Durham. Look at this, don't it? The river's down there, look. See the river? I know it's windy. Because I'm on the top, you see. If it's down there, it wouldn't be windy at all. Oh. Let's go for a walk. I'll tell you a story. Hello. frightened all the birds away. Literally, whistles. Some of them sounded like a bit of a warning. Did you hear the blackbird? He wandered off. Birds. Just rules. Look at that. I'm sorry you can't see them. You know, I brought my good camera the other day, and I didn't catch it. But today I caught something, but not with this camera. Shall I tell you what I caught? It's a bird, right? It looks like a rain. Well, let me get it. It's going to be people complaining about the wind. Out the wind. Is that better? I hope so. That's the shape again. Anyway, if you can hear us, saw this little bird. I thought, I've been sitting for what kind of bird is that? I've never seen it before. He says it's a new bird. I said it's a new bird. He says, oh yes. I said, well, if it's a new bird in the UK, it needs a name. He said, well, give it a name. And I studied it and I studied it. Made this beautiful sound. And it was bobbing up and down, bobbing, 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 bobbing. It had a beautiful golden throat. Tiny, tiny. It was smaller than a wren. They say the wren's the smallest bird in Britain, but this is smaller. And lives along the river. Along the river. And I thought, well, let's call it Bobber. Bobber. And I thought, yeah, because that's what it was doing. It was amazing. It was bobbing about. Bum, 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 bum. So it's the bobber. If you heard anything at all through this wind, I apologise. Oh, this is... Has it stopped yet? The wind. I'm trying to cover the camera. It's probably still windy. I can feel it on my hands. But I've got the camera cupped with my hands. Let's see if that works. Does it work? I'll tell you what, when I get down to here, this is how we're going down here, look. It's my favourite walk, this, you know. Oh yeah, man. This is where my father speaks to me. Actually, I'll tell you something. Well, I'll tell you something. I'll try and hide behind this tree. Oh, I see the birds. The wind. I'll crouch down. Should I tell you? My father said to me, there's something very serious going to happen. I says, oh no, Father. What is it? He said there's going to be an artery severed. I says, an artery severed? Who? He says it belongs to a body. A body? I says, a body? A body of what? He says, a body of bunkers. A body of bunkers? a body of bankers, there's going to be a severing of a main artery. So there's going to be blood, water, gushing everywhere. He said, yes. Watch out, my son. Make sure you have what is real. Well, what is real? What has always been real, Joseph? A bit like my hair. Well, it's my hair is it's golden, silver, bronze. Not bronze. I don't. That's the answer. So, I hope you heard all that. I hope you heard all that. Did you? Now I'm crouching down, right down into this hole. I know I'm not on the ground. Gee, bastards. Look, I've got my tray behind us. Hey, some cheeky fuckers about tonight. Take the piss. You're one of them who takes the piss. Okay, right. I'll leave you this. I don't know when I'll be back, but I'll be back soon. I'm sure I'll be back. Who said that? Shalom, shalom. I love you all. Come on now. I hope it made somebody smile at least today. Okay now. What did you take? You gotta smile at yourself. What did you say, the little bird? Oh, that was a sign. There's a little bird. There's a little bird came on the sign, and I got a smile from it. A beautiful little bird. Yeah, man. Shalom, shalom.